Hi guys, this is Susan Trumbull, your AAC Solutions Consultant for Tobii Dynavox in Western New York State. I've had some questions about how to create our a new user in Snap Core First using our Aphasia page set. So if you can see my screen, I'm showing you Snap Core First here, and you can see that I'm going to create a new user. Basically, I went up to our Edit button, to User, and then I clicked on my existing user, and you can see I have got a whole bunch of different users, but I'm going to select a new user because I want to show you how to create this new user with the Aphasia page set. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started. And you see here we can select a page set, but I'm going to actually click on this Show More button. And I'm going to go through, and you can see there's like Core First Bilingual, Core First Canada, English, French, United States, Aphasia. There's also a text page set here, which is really nice, but we're going to look at this Aphasia page set. So I'm going to select that. You can log into your Tobii Dynavox account if you have one of those at this point. If you don't have one and you're doing this with one of your clients, I would suggest creating a My Tobii Dynavox account for them so they can save this onto the device that they're using. That way, any changes that they make, they will be able to save any changes and have access to those. You're going to give your page set a name. Typically, I use the person's name, but since I'm just creating an Aphasia page set, I'm going to name this Aphasia 1 because I already have a user that is just plain Aphasia on here. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to select a voice. Let's do Karen. And now I'm going to choose a grid size. You can see in our Aphasia page set, we only have 3 grid sizes available. I'm going to start with the largest one. If this is too difficult for the user, you can always use a smaller grid size, or you can hide some of these pictures. I will tell you that our Aphasia page set is developed all based on research that we have done with SLPs who are in the field, working in the field with aphasia patients. And we've also consulted with actual patients with aphasia and their caregivers to come up with these page sets. So these are all research-based. You can see our page set, our aphasia page set right here. Our word lists are based on frequency of use, not alphabetical order, as you've seen in our traditional core words page set. Our quick fires are already categorized for you. There's a whiteboard, because as we know, communicating with patients with aphasia is a partner journey. So this allows us to draw pictures and assist with communication that way. And then we've got our topics in either a grid form or visual scene form. And these are meant for you to kind of choose which one you want to use and then hide which one is not as helpful to your client. So that's it. That's how you create your user in Core First for a patient with aphasia.